Hi everyone and welcome. In this video we will see how you can integrate Node-RED with free and Cloud MQTT Broker from the MQTT ONE. I will provide this link in the description of this video. You can create your free account and you can use the free Cloud MQTT Broker. So here you can see my broker details, and right now there is no client connected, no messages, and one topic which is available here. So let's see how you can use Node-RED to connect with this broker and how you can exchange the message between your publisher and subscriber. So here is our Node-RED. I'm going to use the inject node first, and then we will use MQTT out node and MQTT in node for subscriber. And here is the debug to see the values of our topic. Okay, and here is the debug to see the values, that which value we are going to publish. And I'm going to connect MQTT with the timestamp, and here we are going to see the status. We are going to see the payload in the node. Okay, and now we have to configure our MQTT publisher and the MQTT subscriber node. So this will be our MQTT publisher node. So publisher node, okay, and this will be our MQTT subscriber node. Okay, now in the publisher and the subscriber node, we have to provide connection information of our MQTT ONE MQTT broker. So what you can do is you can double click here, and here you can add new MQTT broker connection, okay, which is our MQTT ONE broker. And here you have to provide the IP address or the host name, and here is the TCP port. So if you visit the MQTT ONE website, then here you can see it's our host name, or you can say the IP address. So I'm going to paste it here, and the port is 1883. But if you can see closely, we have a username and the password to connect with this MQTT broker. So you have to copy this username, you have to go to security, you have to provide the username here, and again you have to copy the password and you have to provide the password here, and then you have to add it. Okay, so we have added this one. Now we have to specify on what topic we are going to send the data. So you can create your topics here. Okay, once you scroll down, you will see the topic. So I'm going to add one topic here, which is my Pylene topic. Okay, and I am allowing subscribe and publish access to this topic, and I'm going to add it. So here you can see we have added second topic as well, and here is my second topic. So I'm going to copy this topic name, I'll go to Node-RED, and then I'll paste it here. And the QoS we are going to use is 0, and I'm going to press on done. And for subscriber as well, we are going to use that same topic. QoS will be 0, and yeah, that's it. No, we have to select our broker. So MQTT ONE broker. Okay, so for the subscriber we have selected MQTT ONE broker, and for publisher also we have selected MQTT ONE broker and the same topic. Now our code is ready. We can publish and subscribe to the same topic. I can deploy my flow. Okay, and I can inject the data from here. You can see we have injected the timestamp, and here we have received the timestamp. Okay, and here maybe you will see the number of messages. Okay, right now there is no messages showing. It's a live messages communicating. Okay, but right now we are not communicating any messages, so it will show 0. Okay, if I want to publish something else, then I can select string, and I can write any string here. I can click on done, and I can deploy my flow, and I can publish something. Okay, you can see we have published the hello and we have received the hello. So this is how you can use Node-RED to connect with the MQTT ONE Cloud MQTT Broker, which is secure MQTT Broker. It will require username and password. You can create a topic here. Okay, and you can publish and subscribe your data on that topic. So I hope this thing is clear, that how you can use Node-RED to connect with any Cloud MQTT Broker. And right now we are using MQTT ONE Cloud MQTT Broker to connect with, and this MQTT broker is secure broker. Without username and password you cannot connect with this broker. Okay, so once you configure your broker in the Node-RED, you have to provide username and password in the security section. If you don't provide username and password in the security section, it won't connect. So if I remove the username and password, and if I update it, okay, and if I deploy my flow, then see here, it is always connecting. It won't connect because we haven't provided the username and password. So we have to provide the username and password. So you have to go to the configuration of our broker. In the security, you have to provide the username and you have to provide the password to connect with this Cloud MQTT Broker. Okay, you can see it is connected and we can publish the data and we can receive the data. You can use any other MQTT client as well in your mobile phone, in your laptop, in your tablet, in your SCADA system. You can use anything to exchange the data between two devices. Okay, you can use Node-RED to read the sensor data and you can use this MQTT ONE broker to send the sensor data to any of your MQTT client available across the world. Okay, and you can create your free account in the MQTT ONE website and you can have your own Cloud MQTT broker, and it's a secure MQTT broker. Okay, also they are providing MQTT applications as well. So all those things we are going to cover in the future videos. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear, and if you still have any question or any doubt, then you can always put your questions and doubt on the comment section. So we will meet you in the next video with another Cloud MQTT broker. So stay tuned for the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.